So time restricted eating isn't about the food you're eating or the number of calories you're eating per se. It's really about just the timing of your meals and aligning that timing with your endogenous rhythm. 3 hours before you intend to sleep is optimal. Humans should not be eating for more than 12 hours a day. You need that 12 hours to basically rest. When you're trying to digest food and you're trying to sleep, they're both parasympathetic activities. They're going to compete with one another. Really, it's that buffer, that 2 to 3 hour buffer between your last calorie and when you intend to sleep, which is huge.